Okay guys, we're going to be doing an uncut unboxing of the Qiyi Wushuang. Just plugged in my phone with a rechargeable charger. It was like 5%, but let's get to it. Let me grab some scissors. So I'm going to need some of that to open it. And okay, let's get right to it. I'm going to go in this room. I'm going to sit right down here and unbox this. I might not need scissors. Yeah, I don't. I didn't need it. It's pretty nice. Cubicle card. And here's the Wushuang. And that's Volk on it. Okay, let's get the angle up a little better. This. Really nice. Do have backup stickers for it, but the shades look pretty good for now. I think they're the same or very similar to what's on the Volk too. Okay. Cool. Doing this on top of something else is uploading on my MacBook, and I want to get this out. Okay. Let's get this out a little more so you can see the cube. Feels really gummy right now. Feels small, really small, but definitely better than the both one. I think it's blocking just because like my turning style is not good. I heard that at corner cuts amazing. This doesn't. I heard that at corner cuts it's 45, but it's not doing that right now. Maybe I need to do some breaking in. This corner cutting there, which is still amazing. Still really good. So I'm probably gonna do a review on this sometime. Do some solds, break it in, see if it improves. But it'll probably be my main. I like the inner layers. My current main is the Qiyi Wushuang. This will probably replace it. But that's it for the uncut unboxing today, guys. And see you next time.